Happy morning, children. We can tell a lot about a person by their handwriting. To make your handwriting better, you must practice more. Today we are going to practice Lucida handwriting. Please get ready with your 4-line notebook, a pencil and eraser. Last class we have learned some strokes and small letters in Lucida. Hope you all have practiced that. Shall we recollect all the small letters once? Hope it is easy for you. Those who have practiced, a big clap for everybody. So today we are going to practice capital letters in Lucida. So first we'll start with this stroke. Practice with me. This stroke helps you to write all the capital letters. So first we are going to write A, capital A, using the stroke we practiced. And now B with 2 bounds and a big curve, C, and D with the same stroke with the big bounce. Make sure the letters should touch all the 3 lines, okay? Next E, then F, write with me, then G with big bounce and should touch the 4th line also with small curve. Then we have H, very easy. Then we have I. Now we have J, very easy to write. Follow me. Then K, capital letter K with the stroke we practiced. Then L, capital L. M with the stroke we practiced. And similar to M, N also, very easy. O, please sharp your pencil before writing the letters, okay? Now P, so capital letter P should touch first 3 lines, okay? Yeah, sorry. Now Q with little curvy line inside the O. Next R with the stroke we practiced like P and small slanting line at the down. Next S, T, very easy. Next U should touch all the 3 lines. V, little differ from the small letter, should touch all the first 3 lines. Then W, X is little different. First you have to write the inverted 6 and then E. So together this is capital letter X. Next we have Y. For Y you have to write V first, V-shaped letter, then a small curve should touch the 4th line. Then the last letter Z. Hope it is easy for you. Please practice it. Please practice all the capital letters 1 or 2 times every day. Now we are going to write the words by combining both capital letter and the small letter. Can you see it? The first word I am writing, respect. Look at all the letters, and for every word, as I already told you, you have to keep 1 finger gap. Can you see the letters? Can you recollect the small letters? Second word, quality. Look at the L. should have a curve when it starts. Third word, we are going to write king. So the stroke we practiced for K, and look at the I, N, G small letters. So fourth word we are going to write, look at the yum, capital M, O-U-T-H, mouth. Look at the H, starts with the curvy line. And also for school, look at the H and L. So please make sure when you write, the stroke should be proper. Sixth one, train. Look at the R, how we have written, how we have practiced. Seventh one, the carrot. Eighth word, look at the G, capital G, R, E-E-N, green. Hope it is very easy. Next is the word jackal. Look at the K, small letter K. The last word in the combination of both capital and small letters is needle. Look at the N, D. We have already practiced these strokes. So please practice all the letters. Practice more, you'll get a beautiful handwriting.